been visiting Nigeria for a while now, and one thing I've noticed is that 99% of the hair salons don't know how to handle natural hair. Not just handling, they don't know the basic stuff, how to wash natural hair. And the 1% who know how to handle, who know how to maybe wash it, their staff is exhausted. But today, I, Lucy Okpoko, a hair consultant at Ruutos, I'll be showing you how to properly handle natural hair. So the first thing you want to do, right, you need to drape your clients. Can you see me? A double drape there. Sorry, my angel. Are you comfortable, my darling? Cool. Please come with me. Let's take a sit. So when working on natural hair, the first thing you need to do is to work on soaking wet hair. The reason why you need to work on soaking wet hair, you need to allow the cuticles expand. When the cuticles expand, it will be very easy for you to walk through your hair. And one thing you need to understand is that if you are a salon owner, if you run a salon, it's very important that the people that wash the hair at the basin, they need to be trained, and that should be their specific jobs. Because if you have your same hairstylist who's washing the hair at the sink, having to also wash the hair and plait the hair, you cause exhaustion, and then these staffs don't give their best. So what you need to do, you need to have salon operators who wash the hair at the sink, because this will ensure that every individual, man, woman, or children visiting your salon is having a beautiful and healthy hair wash. So see, I'm still making sure that my hair expands before I apply my detangling conditioner. Are you comfortable? Are you good? Okay, cool. My water is so hot, please let me know. Thank you. So you must never partially wet the hair. You must fully wet the hair. It must be fully wet, soaking wet. So once your hair is soaking wet, you are going to then go in with the Ruutos Detangling Conditioner. So I'm going to take my conditioner and I am going to emulsify. So emulsify like this, and I'm going to work this on the tips of the hair so that all the curls stretches out. I'm working the tips and I work it all the way to the roots. And another thing you want to take into consideration is the way you are standing while washing the hair, so that you can give your clients a very good and deep wash. You need to be standing directly behind your client. Sorry ma'am, can you please raise your head for me? Thank you. So once this is like this, I'm going to work in sections. I'm going to take my clips. I'm going to start from here. So if this hair was longer, I was going to divide this hair in like 6 sections. But because the hair is quite short, I am going to start from the back, stretching out all that hair with my conditioner and my fingers. So here's the deal. I'm going to go in with my nylon pin brush. So we call this a nylon pin brush. For the size of this hair, I can use my nylon pin brush to detangle it. so that all the knots are out. But I'm going to show you my brush afterwards. You don't need to have hair in this brush if you do it very, very gentle. Or if you're very gentle, you don't need to have hair in this brush. Are you comfortable? Are you good? So you see why you need to be able to stand behind your client. So the reason why you need to detangle is, you see, your hands must be able to glide through when shampooing the hair. So it's very important that all those knots are out of the hair. So I'm just going to go like that. I'm going to go like this. Is your neck comfortable? Okay, cool. So by the time you get to the top of the head, if your hair is a bit dry, you just need to trickle some water, trickle some water, trickle some water. So once the hair is properly detangled, I'm just going to rinse all this away. And just do this, I'm coming. So this is my shed hair. That's the back. So once I'm done detangling my hair, I'm going to rinse off my detangling conditioner. My water temperature okay? Okay, cool. The first thing I'm going to do is to clarify my client's hair using the Curly Berry hair bath. So you can use the Curly Berry hair bath, or you can use the Ruutos clarifying shampoo. And what this does is, it removes buildup of oils, butters, all the edge control, the jams that you use. It removes all that buildup from your hair. All that buildup needs to be removed, because if not, if you don't remove buildup, your hair will always be sticky and won't be able to take in something new. So you can see how this shampoo is not foaming, so it's in its full action, because this hair is a bit sticky. So if the hair is sticky, what do? I just trickle a bit of water on to remove that. I go back with a bit of shampoo. And you know, when you're using Ruutos, because it's professional product, a little goes a very long way. Don't waste it. A little goes a very, very long way, because it's very concentrated. So our back is very dry. So the reason I'm smoothing this hair like this is I need to remove all the buildup of oils and butters from this hair. Let me do this. So the hair is a bit dryish. You need to re-wet it. What did you put on your hair? Yeah, another gel culprit. Another gel client here. So once I finish clarifying, because clarifying removes all the buildup of oils and butters, it makes your hair squeaky clean. I'm going to go in with the Ruutos Moisture Shampoo. I'm just going to put that. So this, a little goes a very long way. You're going to see right now. I'm going to emulsify it. And I'm going to apply that on here. Sorry, yeah. So once I'm done doing that, I'm going to open this hair like this. Open this hair like this. Let's go like this. Is my pressure okay? So you see why I had to detangle first and remove all the buildup of oils and butters, and I work with the pads of my fingers. Once I'm done doing this, I am going to smooth my hair. So one thing that you need to check, you see this is my shampoo with my nourishing shampoo. My nourishing shampoo. Can you see how the curls are clumpy? My finger glides through. Look at that. The hair is happy. Check there. Your hair must always be flat like this even after you shampooed your hair. You don't want your hair to be all bulky, because if it's that way, then you're going to experience breakage. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to rinse off my nourishing shampoo. And my client's hair today, her hair is very, very thick. So when I'm putting my conditioner, I'm going to be applying, which I'm going to show you, the Coily Berry Super Smooth and the moisture conditioner, because her hair is thick. If her hair was fine, I was going to use the Coily Berry conditioner and the Reconstruct conditioner. So yeah, I need to make sure that everything is rinsed properly. So you must always rinse out your products properly, like it's very essential. And can you see why I say this job needs to be handled by someone, not the stylist who plaits your hair? This is going to be too much work. So if you're a salon owner, you need to start thinking of training a salon operator. And don't worry, we got you. We will train them for you. Okay? The Ruutos way. Training salon operators, it means we're creating more jobs in the beauty industry. So So like always, I always start from the tips of the hair and I work on soaking wet hair. So you need to soak in wet your hair. Once your hair is soaking wet, you need to emulsify it. You need to go like that. And just to shower the hair with more love, I'm going to apply my moisture conditioner over it. So let me just check. This my conditioner is opened. Okay, cool. Just gonna do this. And then take this out like this. And then I'm going to do this. And same thing, a pea size. It goes a very long way. So I'm gonna do this. And to further allow these products penetrate deeply into the strands, I'll be introducing some steam. So right now, I'm just gonna start like this with our head all facing up. So you can sit upright for me, thank you. Okay. So just gonna do that. So if you feel your hair is dry at any point, you can always just trickle some water. Trickle some water. And you can just take a bit of this, a pea size, and then emulsify. So I'm doing this because this hair is this length. If our hair was long, I wasn't going to use the brush. So everybody's preference is different. I love using my fingers to detangle if it's long hair. So everybody's preference is different. So can you see? You rinse off your conditioner. Look at how my hair is nice and flat. Very, very flat. The scalp is clean, scalp is happy. So this is how you are supposed to wash your natural hair. Very gentle, very cutesy. Yeah, you need to be gentle. So this one. And yes, this is how you wash natural hair. And the good part is Ruutos is now in Lagos and is partnering with salons to train salon operators to offer these Ruutos premium hair wash service. For more info or to become a partner salon, send us a DM. For list of salons we're currently partnering with, kindly check the comment section. To become a partner salon, please note, terms and conditions apply.